Okay, good afternoon, everybody. So we are in the process of waterproofing a shower where we're going to install the premium model. As you can see, this is the product that you could find at Lowe's or Home Depot. Okay, and so we can prepare. Also, what we're going to do with this bathroom is that we are going to install a heating element, and Edwin is going to put the heating element inside of the shower. Edwin put it inside of the shower so they can see that the actual shower pan can be heated underneath. So this is a small bathroom that we're converting to a DA for an elderly person. So there it is. So this product is readily available in Home Depot or in Lowe's. Okay, and of course here's our heating element that we're going to use by Schluter. Okay, so we're mixing a little bit of both. So we'll show you then how the bathroom looks. We also put in a pocket door in this restroom, make it a little bigger. So, all right, thank you. Listo. Pues nada más para... Coño, déjame ver.